My Jam Hearts family, how you do? I'm actually on an island, off the island here in Negril, Jamaica. I'm at a place called Booby Cay. Booby Cay came here courtesy of Miss Jamrock and my friends of Tiki Pon Da Sea, a boat tour company here in Negril, Jamaica. Lovely, you can see, look around. Alright, that's the sea there, and this is the island we are on right now. Man, it's lovely, lovely adventure. I've been here for perhaps about 20 minutes though, but you're not missing out. I'm gonna actually take it from the beginning, starting now. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are on the Tiki Pon Da Sea officially. And this is Mr. Raymond. Yeah, and this is Mr.
And you have your boy Captain Jack Sparrow over here.
Jack Sparrow?
Yeah man, Tiki Pon Da Sea is one of the best things to do in the grill.
Of course. And you're gonna see why guys. Having fun, that's my wife over there. This is Onije. Onije. And this is Miss Jamrock. Miss Jamrock, remember to check out her channel, Miss Jamrock at YouTube. She's the one responsible for all the fun stuff here. She got the connections for me. And now we are exploring beautiful Negril. Where are we going again, Miss Jamrock?
We're going to Booby Cay.
Booby Cay. Now we're taking you along with us guys. That's the fun part. That's the fun part. You've seen some hotels here in the distance. People are enjoying the beach. Yeah, people are enjoying the beach here. Yeah man, beautiful Negril. 7 miles of pristine white sand beaches. And they're on the Tiki Boat. Alright. So where are we gonna, how far are we expected to go?
That's Booby Cay Island. So like from here to Booby Cay Island, we have about roughly like 15 more minutes drive.
Okay, oh that's the island in it. Alright guys, look out. Alright, that's the island over there. That's where we're going.
Best lobster in the grill.
The best lobster in the grill too. And Booby Cay. Alright, so what can a guest expect when they come on the Tiki Boat, my brother?
They can expect relaxation, we detox your mind, your body and your soul.
Yes. I love it.
Vibe only.
Life is so far. Yeah man, and
Positive talk only.
yeah.
And you're not here for a long time, but also a good time.
Nice. Yeah man, nice. And the I noticed you have obviously you have Tiki bars, so you have bars here, so
Yeah, we collect a lot of souvenirs from worldwide. We collect hoodies, hats,
yeah, these are some of the souvenirs from all over the world. For people from almost every country, everywhere, right? So what normally is on the menu though for drinks? Here.
Well, we have the world-renowned Red Stripe beer, and also our special, our rum punch. It's also called Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson.
Yeah, that's the name of our rum punch. It knocks you out in the first round, which is 4 cups. Yeah.
Okay. I'm not gonna have the Mike Tyson. Oh, maybe Miss Jamrock can have the Mike Tyson. Miss Jamrock, what do you think about the Mike Tyson? You should try the You should try the Mike Tyson, Miss Jamrock. This is lovely. Okay, alright, it's a fun time guys, fun time. This is mine guys, this is my drink. This is now rum punch. Not too much rum. Fruit punch. Fruit punch, is that like rum? Rum punch. Alright guys, this is my rum punch here on the Tiki Bar boat. Alright. Beautiful. Oh, this beautiful Caribbean waters. Beautiful. Look at that.
That's a private villa owned by a couple swept away.
Okay, alright.
And right here where we are now, we are changing parishes.
Oh, so we're going to Hanover now?
We're entering Hanover.
Alright.
We're leaving Westford.
Alright, so guys, you're watching just to let you know that Negril actually, and I got the correction from Miss Jamrock here. She was quick to point out for me that Negril actually spans 2 parishes, which is Westmoreland and Hanover. So we boarded in Westmoreland, and now we're, according to the captain, we are entering it on the Hanover side. Alright, remember check out her channel. It's what is it again, Miss? Miss Jamrock. Miss Jamrock. Yeah, man. She does a lot of interesting stuff. She is an expert on everything Negril and Hanover. What are you thinking, guys? I want to hear from you. Let me hear from you, man. Come say something to us in the comments right now. What are you thinking? What's going to your mind? Alright, guys, so there's another boat here that apparently does glass bottom trips. So they're doing some sort of a collaboration or something. They just exchange numbers. They want to try this trip apparently, so they stopped us to get some information. Glass bottom boat. Cool, cool. Love it, love it, love it. Love the vibe in Negril, Jamaica. One of the best boat tours in Negril, Jamaica. In fact, in Jamaica in general, but you know Negril have the best ones. Nobody can dispute that, right? This is the original Tiki according to Miss Jamrock. Yeah, the original Tiki boat. So tell my viewers, for those who are unaware what a Tiki boat is, Miss. Oh, so what is, alright, so this is called a Tiki boat, my brother.
Tiki Pon Da Sea.
Tiki Pon Da Sea. You know what is a Tiki boat though?
This is really a pontoon bar.
Ah, okay.
It's similar to a catamaran. It's a smaller version.
Ah, cool, cool, cool. Right, cool. There you have it. That's a Booby Cay. That's where we're going, guys. That's it, that's it. That's where we're going. Gonna see what's happening on the Point Village. Okay, that's Point Village. Yeah. Thank you. Point Village on that side there. These are some beautiful waters, man. Negril, there's something about this place, Negril, here in Jamaica. That's just magical, I tell you. Negril. We're getting close, getting close.
So the section of the west coast of Hanover used to be frequented by pirates.
Ah.
Yes. So Booby Cay is a part of this area here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, there goes the anchor. There goes the anchor, man. Alright, so we're at the Booby Cay, the famous Booby Cay Island in Negril, Jamaica. There are persons already there, apparently. A number of persons, actually. Apparently, mainly tourists, it appears, from the outset. Boats there. Red stripe, one more red stripe boat, the glass bottom boat. Boat is docked. I'm gonna hop off now. Stay with me, alright, guys?
What about?
Alright, so from one island to the next, I can say I've set foot on the Booby Cay officially. Hello, how are you? Awesome, awesome. People are here. Tourists are here. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, fur friendly. Friendly? I see lobster. Huh? I see red stripe bear. Ah, alright, I see craft people. Miss Jamrock again.
Hi.
Miss Jamrock with his foreign. Welcome to foreign, Miss Jamrock. Yeah, you know, by the way, guys, Jamaica has a lot of islands, off islands. I call them keys, that are also Jamaican, obviously, right? So this is just one of them, off island, I should say. There's a bird here. I'm seeing. Is that a bird? What's a sea? What's that? Look at that. You see that? What is that? What is that, miss? What is that bird? What is that bird? That big bird there. Look all the way. Go running now. Is that seagull? Look and swimming on the sea.
Pelican.
Pelican.
Yeah, it's a pelican.
Oh, it's a pelican. Ah, there you go. See?
Yeah,
A pelican. A lot of pelicans are here. Okay.
On this side of
Alright, I'll tell you guys, tell Mr. Jamrock knows everything about this place. Miss Jamrock at YouTube. My brother, how you doing? Good man, good man. I hear that you are taking care of us.
Sir.
Chef Jammy.
Yeah, man.
Alright, roll some food on the island, yeah? Yeah, man, we look forward to that. I see your grill. Nice setup. Oh, you having the fish, lobster? Conch, that's all. Alright. Conch, that's all. Cool, cool, cool. I love the setup. I like the view. Yeah, man. The pot that look like one of my pots, you know. A little pot that look like one of my pots. Yeah, start the process. Lovely, 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 lovely. Lovely, lovely. And you do this all the time, so nothing new for you, you know true? Nice, nice, man.
Chef, that's what I do for a living, you know?
Alright, so I'm going to cook some fish and...
Yeah, man, some nice fire roast, you know?
Yeah, fire roast fish. Those fish, you have lobster too, I heard?
Yeah, man, lobster is here, man.
Alright.
Lobsters around here.
Cool, cool. What? Alright, hold on. We take it. Jammy. Alright, live ready. Alright, we getting lobster too. We get having a living the life here, guys. And the Booby Cay. What you saying?
Yeah, man.
Lovely, 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 lovely. Yeah, man. Cool, cool. Let me see my seasoning. Let me see me Kelly on here so too. Let me see my thyme there so too. Let me see my red stripe beer back. You done the red stripe beer already? Alright, I mean Aki. Yeah, man, Aki too. And bad. Lovely, lovely. Alright, guys. Come on, man. Give us a like, man. You like what you're seeing? Living the life here on Booby Cay, right? Booby Cay. Booby Cay, an island off the coast of Negril here in Jamaica. Did you know about this place? Did you know about this place? Chances are you didn't, right? Yeah, man, there's a lot of small islands off island here in Jamaica, and it's a pleasure sharing them. Well, certainly sharing this one with you, with Booby Cay. You have to take a boat to get here, and we got here courtesy of Tiki Pon Da Sea. Tiki Pon Da Sea, the plane in the background there, in the overhead there. People are here, just enjoying themselves. A lot of people don't know that this stuff happens in Jamaica. They only say the bad stuff, not true. Well, that's my job. Share the real Jamaica. That's why I call it My-Island-Jamaica. The real Jamaica with you. Man, this stuff actually happens here in Jamaica. An off-island excursion. Lovely, lovely. Alright, I see craft items here as well. And of course, you're not gonna find a tourist here in Jamaica without some crafts. And I'm gonna find a tourist here without coconut and fruits. You get that? Brother, cool out. I'm a boss. Cooling out on the sun. Yeah, man, that's a vibe, that's a life here.
Sir, I see when him kill the lobster.
You find police? Oh, police is here. Oh, police is here too. Alright, alright, alright. Let's throw law and order is here. Good, man. Good, good, good. Nice, nice. Alright, that's good. Yeah, man. Uh-huh, lovely. Lovely. That's good. That's good. No, that's good. It's good. No, I'm happy that, you know, somebody's here to enter. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. All right, good. Excellent. All right.
Yeah, because I seen the last article on Lucy and I was impressed.
All right, good, good, good. All right, lovely. Yeah, man, we did some. By the way, guys, he's right there. We did a big feature on Lucy, historic city. We call it the underserved, the unappreciated town. You should check it. Link in the description.
I was impressed. I was impressed.
Yeah, man, lovely, lovely. Big up Annie, big up Miss Jamrock, man. And she responsible for that, you know. You know that.
All right.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. All right, good. All right, guys. So here's a bonus for you right now. There's a bonus. So hold on. Come, Miss Jamrock. There's a bonus. Our chef is gonna teach us how to season lobster. All right.
Because it's just fresh from the water, going on to the grill.
Fresh from the water. So it's a live. It was a live lobster.
Live lobster.
All right, good.
So for
Yep.
me
No,
now,
he's teaching all of us. Yeah.
all right, for me now, because it lived in the salt water,
Uh-huh.
my butter is salted.
Uh-huh.
I use unsalted butter as well.
Uh-huh.
But I decided to use some fresh water to get rid of the salt because I'm going to re-season it.
Ah.
Yes.
All right. So just kind of fresh it up a little bit.
Yeah, man.
All right. So you,
So it would be more than a brine now. They call it a brine because they live in the salt water.
yes. Cool.
Fresh lobster.
Yeah?
Fresh lobster.
Yeah, man. Fresh out the sea. So you actually catch a lobster here, right?
Yeah, man, it's right here, man. Not me though, locals.
Cool. Cool.
And lobster season ends when? In a few weeks.
The 31st of this month.
Yeah.
All right. So we're lucky we just catch it right at
Yeah,
it.
man.
Because after that you can't. catch any.
Alright, so what
It's
is
a little all-purpose here for me.
all-purpose seasoning?
Yes.
Alright.
Salt as well, you know.
Alright.
Yeah,
So this is
rub to it.
lobster season 101, guys.
Yeah, man.
Make sure you learn.
Get it rubbed in, you know.
Oh, you rub it in, literally rub it in. Okay, cool.
Put a little of the garlic onto it.
Garlic,
Yeah, because I make it cook from the back first, you know, on the shelf.
Cook from the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Face down as well, you know, but I started on the back.
Yeah. So that's not just garlic though. You have some
You
other.
got garlic, onions. I confuse the butter.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Garlic, onion, bell peppers.
And the fire obviously has to be ready and
Yes, ma'am.
not warming up but hot already, right? And it's a grill, a
I
mesh.
cook it for 15, 16 minutes.
Okay, cool.
It depends on the fire as well because I'm using coal, so you have to have the right temperature.
Yeah. Alright. So we're using coal here and we're using a little grill, a little mesh grill thingy. And it's coal on the bottom here, guys. So you're saying 15 minutes and it's ready, my brother?
Yeah, man.
Alright, but you obviously you got so
Yeah, man, I'm facing it.
you're facing it. Oh, you're gonna turn it over.
Yeah, on the back. Yeah.
So this lobster is live, man.
Yeah, man.
It's actually there's some movement there.
Nerves, you know.
It's a nerve.
That's the nerves.
Oh, cool. So it doesn't get fresher than this, obviously. It doesn't get fresher than this.
The hot is most like frozen, you know. But,
Yeah.
from the water to the grill.
Yeah, man. Another 7 minutes after you turn.
Another 8 minutes.
8 minutes to turn it over. Alright. Big up the chef. What's the chef name again?
Chef Jamie.
Chef Jamie, man. Chef Jamie. Tiki Pon Da Sea, chef. Lovely. Alright, so we're gonna hold off a little bit and check you back again. Cool. Yeah, man. Meanwhile the food is cooking, Chef Jamie, I'm going to quiz you a little bit. The island here, what from your local knowledge, is it, what else is here? I see almond tree here.
Yeah, man.
Almond, but
The almond tree.
yeah.
It was named after the booby birds too. You
Yeah.
know, they got some birds back in the days.
Yeah.
Booby
Yeah.
birds.
Uh-huh.
Well, the island
Yeah.
was owned by a hotel resort, I think, but the government said, well,
Free it up.
public. Yeah, man.
Free it up.
Everyone can get a chance to
Which is right.
keep the island clean.
Which is right. Now this is the only area that people venture or go wider.
This
This is
just-
general area.
But we got another beach on the back.
Oh, another beach over there. Alright.
There's a pass, about 10 minutes walk.
10 minutes walk,
Yeah.
alright. Let's see if we can make, I'm not sure we'll be able to make that today, guys, but yeah, just to let,
It's not far.
yeah, just to let you know. So it's not just here, it's actually bigger than this where we are here. Cool.
No views around the back.
Cool. Boats are coming in and going out. Alright, so it's a flip. Alright, cool. So that's about 7 minutes, about 5-7 minutes. And you flip it and turn it. Alright, my Bob. Looking good, not you guys. Tell me, man, what you think about this lobster here. Look good. Alright, so we're almost ready, my brother.
Yeah, man, almost ready.
Almost ready. Cool. One more turn. Looking good, looking bad. Looking good or looking bad? Which one? Looking good. I'm going to see some nice wheat bread over the corner there.
Yeah, man.
At toast same time. Man,
That is it.
Alright. Are you doing that? Vegetable and?
Vegetables, yeah, man.
Vegetable. I have everything here, man.
Side of vegetable, everything.
Nice, man. Nice. Looking good. Looking
Bread
good.
them toast, you know?
Yeah, man. I like it like that too. Toast up the bread, them. Real chef.
So now I'm kind of getting the fresh cruise to get the butter down a little.
Alright.
Butter soak inside,
Yeah, man. Alright, so you leave it on there for a little more, or that's pretty much ready now.
Yeah, me use a little of the butter now.
What? I see you toast a bad man in a second or two, the toast bread, them ready.
Good hot fire, you know?
Lovely. Big up Miss Jamrock again, guys, by the way. Miss Jamrock, big up yourself, man. Miss Jamrock, the expert on Negril and Hanover, guys. Make sure you check out her channel, Miss Jamrock, at YouTube. You can see more of this kind of stuff on her channel. You put a little bit more of the seasoning on it. One more time. Nice. The chef have everything locking up, guys. That's all. Alright, I want you to big up the chef in the comments right now. Chef Jimmy. Jammy. Jammy or Jimmy? Jammy, yeah, man. Big up. Him have a vibe and I like him style. Why you big him up right now? Say Chef Jammy in the comments right now. Chef Jammy. Oh, we have a visitor. And Booby Cay. Oh. So he lives here, right? Simba. Oh, what is saying? Oh, actually, it's not a visitor. We are the visitor. This cat lives on Booby Island. Hello, Simba. Wow. Hey, Simba. What you want? Food? Simba on the Booby Cay Island. Well, it's all happening on Booby Cay, guys. Oh, cool. By the way, guys, if you're interested in this boat tour, which is the tour to the Booby Cay Island where we are now, there's actually a link in the description. You'll get a form to fill out. Just complete the form, and Tiffany and those guys will get back to you to hook you up. So, just got instructions from Chef Jammy that food is ready. Let's check it out. What? Alright, yeah man. Just so nice. Yeah, so nice. Man, this is lovely. Yeah, so nice, man. This is food that bad like yours. Wow, this looks good. Yeah man, this is good. Come say something in the comments right now. I want to hear from you. What do you think about this food here? Well, we have lobster and we have fish. Hold on, Chef Jammy. One more big up. No man, we have to big up the chef right again. Big up the chef right. Chef, we big up. Give me a handle again. Yeah.
Instagram, yeah man. Jack Junior 51_50.
Man.
Yeah man.
And
check
man,
it out.
man. Look at the man display, man. Man, she's lovely. Thank you, my boss. The Booby Cay Boat Tour and excursion, and this is the food time. Now.
Thank you so much for the lunch. This is, tell me about this.
Alright, so we got red snapper, steam roast, some vegetables, we got garlic, onions, scallions, carrots, bell peppers. We got a steamed veg on the side. We got some garlic bread as well.
Okay, I hope it's as good as it looks.
Yeah, man, you're
Alright, let me taste, sir.
It has to taste good. It looks too good not to taste good. Alright, cool.
Seasoning and stuff.
Yeah.
Can't eat after.
Alright guys, so this is lunchtime. Big up Miss Jamrock again and the entire team. My wife is here and Anisha. Yeah man, this is the lobster. This is the life, man. Look good, not you? Look good. Run into a lovely couple.
Yeah.
Awesome. How are you guys?
Okay, how are you?
Awesome. Where are you from?
From the US?
US, okay. Sorry, I know. I enjoy the lobster, not true?
Oh yeah, it's a yummy lobster.
Good. Yeah. So, how is the boob? Is the first time here?
First time eating here.
First time eating here.
Yeah, I've been kayaking here before.
So you're a regular.
Yeah, not a regular.
So you're not the first time in the grill though?
Not the first.
Oh yeah, you're a regular man. All right, good. And continue to enjoy. All the best.
All right.
Good.
Delicious.
Yeah, man. Awesome. Good. Oh, and I think I mentioned it earlier that there are several trees, all kind of flora here, but almond or sea almond as we call it here in Jamaica. Lots of trees here and a number of footpaths I observe here as well. Not able to venture or explore all of them, but just wanted to show you. So this is on the island, off the island, on the Booby Cay. I don't know where that leads to. There's another one here back to the beach. Yeah, so I just wanted to kind of show you, give you a little perspective on that. That is actually a real island, right? It's actually a real island off the island. And I understand it's about another 10 minutes walk. And that will take us to the other side of the island where there's a beach. So, interesting place. And most people, I'm thinking, certainly most Jamaicans are, well, probably unaware of this, so it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure sharing, bringing this to you. So give me a like, man. Give me a like right now. Give me a like if you appreciate what we're doing today, guys. The Booby Cay of Negril, Jamaica.
We'll be back for many a day.
All right. Well, here that's a song. That's a song. Quite appropriate. Oh, she didn't want to leave. She didn't want to leave, guys. So yes, we're leaving the Booby Cay Island reluctantly, heading back to the boat now.
But I had a great time, fabulous time.
It was lovely. The food was good. The company was great. The weather was awesome. Everything was good, right?
Fabulous.
Everything.
I'm coming back. I'm coming
You're
back.
coming back. All right. Good. That's the boat there. This is the crew. We're heading back on. That's our chef again, Chef Jammy. Big up Chef Jammy. Come on, every time. And we're heading back to the boat. Alright, you did. Of course. I got Miss Jamrock. Miss Jamrock, what was the highlight for you?
The food was awesome.
Yeah, man.
And then the ambiance, it was just so nice and relaxing.
Yeah. Alright. And the crew, Miss G. What was it?
Hey guys! Must visit, okay? Trust me.
What was the highlight for you?
Oh my God, everything.
Everything.
The scenery, the food, the crew.
Alright. Lovely. The Negril Boat Tour, guys, courtesy of Miss Jamrock and Tiki Pon Da Sea, the boating company. Man, we're going to do something for me now, though. I want you to share this video. People need to see this other side of Jamaica, right? The real Jamaica, I call it. So share this video with someone right now. Thank you. B, there's another video I did here in Negril, the Rick's Cafe. It's a little bit aged, but you need to see it. It's in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.